We become what we think about. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Our thoughts shape our destiny. The secret lies in our daily thoughts and actions. Success is not a secret, it's a strategy. Dream big and dare to fail. Success starts with a burning desire. Your mind is your greatest asset. Choose your thoughts wisely, they create your reality. Plant the seeds of success in your mind. Success is the result of disciplined thoughts. Visualize your success, then work for it. Your thoughts fuel your actions, make them powerful. Every day is an opportunity for progress. Achievement is born from focused thoughts. The path to success is paved with positive thoughts. You are the architect of your destiny. Purpose fuels passion, and passion fuels success. Success is achieved by doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Don't wait for the right opportunity, create it. The quality of your thinking determines the quality of your life. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Success is found in the journey, not the destination. Take action. The world rewards doers, not dreamers. You are what you do, not what you say you'll do. The first step to success is a positive mindset. Success is a state of mind. Turn your dreams into goals, then into achievements. Success demands persistent action. What you focus on expands. Visualize, believe, and achieve. To succeed, you must first believe in yourself. Greatness is achieved by taking small steps consistently. Thoughts combined with purpose become powerful. The difference between success and failure is a matter of perspective. Chase your dreams with determination, and they will become reality. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. You are capable of achieving more than you think. The world is your canvas. Paint your success story. Success is the reward for those who persist when others quit. Embrace challenges as stepping stones to success. Your thoughts lead to actions. Your actions define your success. Successful people make decisions swiftly and change them slowly. Stay committed to your vision, even in the face of adversity. Success is achieved by those who push through their limits. Your thoughts are the keys to the doors of success. Invest in your mind. It's the greatest asset you'll ever have. Success is not just about making money, it's about making a difference. Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, like, comment, and share. See you next time.